strategy to make at least $4,500 per month with free traffic from Pinterest. The best part about this strategy is that it's completely free, no skills or experience required, and it will take you only 10 minutes per day to implement this strategy. And on top of that, at the end of this video, I will reveal a secret unknown method that no one else is talking about, which will make you 10 times more money, and it's making me at least $500 per day on complete autopilot after setting this up once. And it will take you only 15 minutes maximum to set it up, and it requires 0 investment and 100 for free. So stick with me till the end of this video to not miss out on any important step. But before we dive into the method, make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to not miss out on any upcoming powerful videos. Alright, now let's get started, alright? So the first thing to do is to go to trends.pinterest.com, and you want to pick a trending topic, and that will help us to start getting hundreds of thousands of views fast and easy, especially if you store the new Pinterest account. So for example, I'm going to search for weight loss, and as you can see here, Pinterest is suggesting these trending topics. So you want to select one of these trending topics and make a new Pinterest account targeting only one specific topic. So for example, I'm going to select this one, and as you can see here, this specific topic is trending at the moment, and there is a high demand for content related to this topic. So we're going to start a new Pinterest account targeting this one. So the first thing to do is to pick a high converting product, and to do that, you want to go to clickbank.com and sign up for a new account. And once you log in, you want to click on Affiliate Marketplace, and that will take you to this page. And as you can see, ClickBank has many different categories to choose from. But in this video, we're looking for a product to promote in the weight loss niche. So you want to click on this health and fitness category here, and then ClickBank will show you the highest converting products in this specific category. Now you want to spend some time going through some of these products. You want to check the sales pages and their affiliate support pages to learn more details about each one of these products. But in this video, I will select a specific product here. And as you can see, this product has a really good gravity score, which means that this product sells really well. And it's currently the #1 diet offer all over ClickBank. And it pays really well. So once you select a product, you want to click on Promote, click on Create Hop Link. And you want to copy your unique affiliate link and save it in a notepad. Next, I want you to go to Pinterest.com and sign up for a new account. And once you log in, I want you to click on this arrow here and click on Convert to Business, and then click on this button to upgrade to a free business account. And then it will ask you to build your profile. So just enter a name related to the niche that you selected. And if you don't know how to come up with a good name for your account, you can go to ChatGPT and write something like this and just use one of these names here. And for the website box, just select No for now and then click on Next. Choose the focus of your brand. So I will select this one and then select 3 goals and click on Next. And here I will select Blogger and then click on Next. And for this option, I'm going to select this one and click on Next. And after that, click on this X button here, and that will take you to this page. Now you need to add a logo and a background image. And to do that, I want you to go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. And once you log in, click on this box here and search for logo and select one of these templates here to customize. Alright, so I just created a simple logo, and to download it, just click on this share button here and click on download. Then go back to Pinterest and click on this arrow here, and then click on settings and click on change, and then click on choose a photo to upload the logo that you downloaded next. You want to add a background image, and to do that, you want to go to pixels.com and search for an image related to the niche that you selected. So I'm going to write something like this, and I will select one of these images here. And to download an image, just click on this button here to download it for free. Then go back to Pinterest. Click on this plus icon here and click on Browse to upload the background image next. If you want to add a bio to your account, and the easiest way to do that is to go to ChatGPT and write something like this. And as you can see here, ChatGPT generated this nice bio here, and I will copy it and paste it here. So once you're done, click on Save, and that's it. You've successfully set up your Pinterest profile. Now we need to add a website to our Pinterest account. And to do that, I want you to go to direct.me and sign up for a free account. And once you log in, it will ask you to enter Nate. So you want to enter the same name that you selected for your Pinterest account. And then I want you to click on this button here and upload the logo, and then click on Add a new item, select link or URL up here, affiliate link, and paste it here in this box. And you want to give it a good title. So I will write something like this and then click on it. And once you're done, click on this button to copy your landing page link and then go back to Pinterest. click on Edit Profile, scroll down, and paste it here in this website box and click on Save. And that's it. Our account is ready now. We need to start posting high-quality content in order to start getting tens of thousands of monthly views. And to do that, you want to go to TikTok.com and search for a keyword related to the niche that you're targeting. And you want to download all of these videos without this TikTok watermark here. And then you want to upload these videos to your Pinterest account. And to download these videos without this TikTok watermark here, you want to go to this website here called safetik.net. And you want to copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Click on Download, and then click on this button to download the video without this TikTok watermark. You also want to copy their username because we will have to give them credit. So once you download the video, you want to go back to Pinterest, click on Create and select Idea Pin, and then click on this icon here to upload the video. And then you will be taken to this page now. You will need to give it a title, and you want to enter as many keywords that people are searching for on Pinterest as possible. And then you will need to give it a description. So I will write something like this. And you also want to add as many keywords as possible. And then you want to copy the username and paste it here to give them credit. And in this link box here, you want to add your landing page URL. And remember, don't add your affiliate link here, otherwise your account will get banned. And then click on this box here and create a new board if you don't have one. And then enter a few tags here. And once you're done, click on Publish. And now our video has been published on our Pinterest account. Now I highly recommend you to upload at least 3 videos per day. And remember, the more videos you upload, the more views you will get, which will make you a lot more money. Now let me show you another really cool feature that Pinterest added recently, and that is scheduling your posts now. What I always do is I spend a few minutes downloading 90 videos, and then I schedule them for the whole month. It takes me less than 30 minutes to schedule my posts for the whole month. And that way I won't have to log in every day, upload a new video every few hours. So it's a really cool feature, and let me show you how to use it. So you want to click on Create and select Create Idea Pin. Upload the video, and after you enter all of these details, click on Publish at a later date, and select the date and time, and after that, click on Schedule now. As I said, you need to upload at least 3 videos per day, and I recommend you to schedule a new video to go out every 4 hours. So for example, if you select this to go out on the 13th of June at 9 a.m., you want to set the next video to go out on the 13th of June at 1 p.m., the next video at 5 p.m., and so on. And once you finish scheduling the posts for this account, you can simply forget about it for a whole month, and you will start making passive income on complete autopilot. Using this method, you can also start more and more new Pinterest accounts targeting many different trending topics on Pinterest to make even more money. Now here is the bonus gift that I promised you earlier in the video. First of all, I want you to click on the first link in the description, and it will take you to a secret unknown method that no one else is talking about, which will make you 10 times more money and will make you at least $500 per day on complete autopilot after setting this up once, and it will take you only 15 minutes maximum to set it up. So go ahead now and click on the first link, and that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next